Welcome to Ruger Tech Tips. If you have a PC Carbine and in the process of removing the trigger group, parts have fallen out, just going to show you how to put that back together. Most likely what has come out is your bolt lock, the spring, and the cross pin for that. They're very loose in the gun by design. The stock holds those in place. So when you're removing that, if you have a piece of tape that you can put across that hole, which is the pivot hole for that, that would be ideal so they don't fall out. But just show you how these go back together. Really all you need is a small punch and a pair of safety glasses. And it's a pretty simple process. If you turn this upside down, you will see a slot here, and within the middle of that slot there's a hole that goes through that. And the spring goes into that slot. It is non-directional. You can just drop that down inside the slot. The bolt lock itself it's got a straight arm with a hook over it. The straight arm goes behind the spring towards the trigger guard to the back side, and you just compress that down and you can put that cross pin through and just get it flush on each side and you're done. It's a little disconcerting as you're taking the trigger group out, these parts fall out. Where did they come from? Well, it's very, very simple to get those back together again. So thanks for watching this Ruger Tech Tip.